So we are already done with the grammar part. Let's read this chapter and see the grammatical structures which we have recently learned in this chapter. Okay. Salut Denise, pourquoi es-tu triste? Ne me parle pas, Alex. Je ne veux pas parler. Now, Denise, he is saying, Alex is saying, Denise, salut, pourquoi es-tu triste? So why are you sad? Okay. Now, what he is saying, ne me parle pas, Alex. Je ne veux pas parler. Ne me parle pas. This is imperative sentences, students, we have done in second chapter. Enchante 4, second chapter, L'Aime Parfait. So, ne me parle pas, Alex. Don't talk to me, Alex. Je ne veux pas parler. I don't want to talk. Now, Alex, dis-moi ce qui se passe. So, whenever you want to say someone, ki what happened, tell me. So, this is a phrase. Dis-moi ce qui se passe. Tell me what's going on or what happened. Tu as l'air triste. Students, this I have already told you. This is the expression avoir. In previous chapters also I taught you. L'air and then we give adjective. So whenever you want to say you look happy, you look sad, you look smart, only the adjective will change. Okay? And avoir will change according to the subject. So here Alex wants to ask, tu as l'air triste. So you are looking very sad. See, he's really sad, right? Est-ce que je peux t'aider? Can I help you? Now, what is Dennis reply? J'ai mon examen de français, mais je n'ai rien préparé. So, he's saying, j'ai mon examen from the français, mais je n'ai rien préparé. So, I have my French exam and I haven't prepared anything. Mais pourquoi? Now he's saying, but why? Mais pourquoi? Tu n'as pas tes notes? So you don't have your notes? Don't you know your lessons? Don't have your notes? No, ce n'est pas le problème. So no, that is not the problem. Comme toujours, this is like always, normally. So as usual, je me suis réveillé tard le matin. So I got up late. Students, this is passé composé. Yes? So I got up late and je me suis préparé vite pour prendre le bus. Mais j'ai raté mon bus. So, but I got up late and I missed the bus. Alors, qu'est-ce que tu as fait? Then, what you did? Je suis parti toujours avec mon père dans notre voiture and as usual, I went or I parties to leave with my father by car. Hey, Papa me fâche beaucoup. And that was really angry on me. Of course, students, if the child got up late, right, then the father would be angry. Donc, es-tu arrivé à l'heure? So, did you reach on time? Es-tu arrivé à l'heure? Non, pas toujours. La voiture ne marche pas bien. So, as usual, the car was like, no marche bien, no function pas. So, there might be some problem in the car. So, he had another problem with the car. So, it would not start, maybe, right? It had broken down. Elle est tombée en panne. Tombée en panne when your car is not working or broken down, then you can say tombée en panne. Okay? Ah, quel dommage. So, quel dommage you can use, students, when the bad things are happening. Oh, bad luck in the sense of this. Puis, j'ai appris l'autobus et je me suis trouvé dans un embouteillage. Oh là là. So then, what happened? So I took l'autobus and then I stuck in embouteillage. Embouteillage, students, that means traffic. Another synonym is circulation. So he stuck. Then let's see what happened. Oh, c'est pourquoi je suis venu à l'école à pied. So that's why I went to school or I came school by foot, on foot. Je suis en retard. I am late. Et les portes de l'école sont fermées. And the gate of the schools are closed. Ah, la seule solution to the problem est de te réveiller tôt. So the only solution of your problem is to get up early. Oui, je sais, mais rien ne marche bien. This is the title of the chapter as well. So he's saying, oh oui, yes, I tried, but rien ne marche bien. Nothing goes well. Ah, ne t'inquiète pas. Et dans l'avenir, planifie bien ta journée. Ne t'inquiète pas. You say when you want to say, oh, don't worry. So, ne t'inquiète pas. Don't worry. Et in future, dans l'avenir, avenir means future. So, in future, planifie bien ta journée. So, plan your day well. Let's do these questions. Pourquoi Denis a-t-il raté? Raté is miss. So, why he did miss he missed his bus? Parce que parce qu'il il s'est réveillé en retard. Or il s'est réveillé tard, you can say. Okay? Où Denise a-t-il voulu aller? Et pourquoi? Okay? So, où Denise a-t-il voulu aller? Pourquoi? Where Denise wants to go and why? Il a, il a voulu. So, he wanted to go to school. Aller à l'école. And why? Why? Parce que, parce qu'il il avait un examen de français because he had French exam. Français. Est-ce que Denis a essayé de se réveiller tôt? So did he try to get up early? Oui. So you can copy. Oui. Il a essayé de se réveiller tôt. OK? Choisissez la bonne réponse. Je travaille tous les jours. So I work all the days. C'est ton premier jour, soit à. So this is your first day, soit à l'heure. Be on time. How to say be on time? Soit à l'heure. Il beaucoup. So it will be il dash beaucoup. He worried beaucoup. Inquiet. Mardi vient dash lundi. So mardi vient après lundi. So after lundi, mardi comes. Grammar. Regardez les dessins, so see these drawings, et décrivez la journée de Julie. So we have to design the the day of Julie in passé composé. Okay, let's try. Okay, students. So first of all, here, let's write Julie. What we say to get up? Say in the past tense, okay? Réveiller, because réveiller is the pronominal verb. Here you will do sakot, pour femina double E. Se réveiller a, let's imagine, 7 heures. Okay? Then what we will imagine that she took bath and get ready. How to say took bath? Elle s'est lavé and to dress up. How to say dress up? Habillé. This is L. Okay? Habillé. Right? Then Ella. So she had her breakfast. Elle a pris. Elle a pris Son petit déjeuner. Okay, here Akshograph. Petit déjeuner. Then, of course, she went to school. L-A. So all is être verb. Aller, elle est allée à l'école. So we know the verbs which are conjugated in the past with être, there will be double E for the female. À l'école. Then what she did? She studied with her friends. How to write in French? Elle a, avoir verb will come. Étudier. Okay, that is your participe passé. Elle a étudié avec ses amis. Right? Then what happened? Now this is our home. We will write one step. She returned home, right? Elle est rentrée. So whenever you return home, use the verb rentrer. Elle est rentrée. Okay? Then elle a pris son dîner. Okay? And what happened last? Elle s'est s'est couchée. It is C H E, again one E. Elle s'est couchée à 9 heures. That is never. Okay? Don't say enough. Never. Done? The next one is, okay, this comic we will read. Okay? Conversation. Gabriel est chez elle. So Gabriel is at home. Elle lit le programme de télé du soir. So she is reading the evening TV schedule. Okay, let's see what it is. Now, the first image is, okay, qu'est-ce que je peux regarder ce soir à la télé? De la télé-réalité, un film, un reportage, un match de foot. Il y a beaucoup de choix. Je suis confused. So what she's saying, what can I watch on TV tonight? Reality show, film, documentary, a saucer match. There are so many choices. I am really confused. Okay. Elle allume la télé. Allume means when you switch on TV, then you should say elle allume. The verb is allume. Elle allume on la télé. She switch on, turns on the TV. Et commence à zapper les chaînes. Zapper les chaînes means flipping through the channels. Start flipping through the channels. Okay. Let's see the second one. Now, the second image is, okay. Aujourd'hui, le président français et le président américain ont signé un accord. So today the French president and the American president signed an agreement. Oh là là, la politique. Je m'en fous. So, la politique, I don't care. So this is the expression to use. Oh, I don't care. You want to say in French, je m'en fous. Je m'en fous. Okay? Now, bonjour, okay, we have to read this, hein? Bonjour, bienvenue au Grand Journal sur Canal Plus. Nous avons aujourd'hui avec nous le grand auteur Michel Houellebecq. Now, this is saying ki bonjour, bienvenue this channel. So we are with Michel, okay? The big actor. Now she's saying, oh, change it. Pas intéressant. Not interesting. Okay? And then Mais pourquoi tu m'as pas dit? Oh, why didn't you tell me? Ah, le dernier épisode de Plus Belle la Vie, je vais le voir ce soir. So the last episode, that is the name of the émission Plus Belle la Vie, je vais le voir ce soir. So I see this evening this program. Okay, and this is the chapter is done, students. Okay, I hope this will be useful for you. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.